7 healthy rice recipes for weight loss. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Rice is such a versatile and essential ingredient that can be a game changer in your healthy weight loss journey when you use the right ingredients and cooking techniques. We've put together a collection of 7 amazing rice recipes that are not only delicious, but also low in calories and loaded with essential nutrients to support your weight loss goals. By incorporating these fantastic recipes into your meal plan, you'll stay on track toward reaching your weight loss goals without feeling deprived of delicious food. Number 1. Red bean salad, 220 calories. This red bean salad recipe is a nutritious and satisfying option, providing a flavorful meal with only 220 calories per serving. Packed with protein-rich red beans, fresh vegetables, and a zesty dressing. This salad offers a balance of nutrients, fiber, and complex carbohydrate. Red beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Enjoy a delicious bowl of red bean salad that not only nourishes your body, but also supports your health and well-being. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients. 1 can 15-ounce red kidney beans drained and rinsed. 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved. 1 cucumber diced. 1 bell pepper diced. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. Juice of 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a red bean salad. Number 2. Ground turkey with rice, 380 calories. This ground turkey with rice recipe is a nutritious and flavorful option, providing a satisfying meal with 380 calories per serving. Packed with lean ground turkey, wholesome rice, and a variety of spices and vegetables. This dish offers a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and essential nutrients. Ground turkey is a lean meat that provides high-quality protein, while rice serves as a source of complex carbohydrates. Enjoy a delicious plate of ground turkey with rice that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also nourishes your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 pound lean ground turkey, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 cup diced tomatoes, canned or fresh, 1 cup cooked brown rice, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a ground turkey with rice. Number 3. Tuna salad, 330 calories. This tuna salad recipe is a nutritious and satisfying option, providing a flavorful meal with 330 calories per serving, packed with protein-rich tuna, wholesome rice, and a medley of fresh vegetables. This salad offers a balance of nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats. Tuna is a great source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for your heart health. Enjoy a delicious bowl of tuna salad that not only satisfies your cravings, but also nourishes your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients. 1 cup cooked brown rice. 1 can 5-ounce tuna and water, drained. 1/4 cup diced celery. 1/4 cup diced red onion. 1/4 cup diced cucumber. 1/4 cup diced red bell pepper. 2 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh dill. And salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a tuna salad. Number 4. Vegetable salad recipe, 220 calories. This vegetable salad recipe is a nutritious and refreshing option, providing a satisfying meal with only 220 calories per serving, packed with an assortment of vegetables, This salad offers a variety of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Vegetables are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy weight. Enjoy a delicious bowl of vegetable salad that not only nourishes your body but also supports your overall well-being. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 2 cups mixed salad greens, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 cucumber diced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1/4 red onion thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a vegetable salad recipe. Number 5. Omelette with rice, 340 calories. This omelette with rice recipe is a nutritious and satisfying option, providing a flavorful meal with 340 calories per serving, combining the protein-rich omelette with wholesome rice. This dish offers a balance of nutrients including protein, carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, while rice provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Enjoy a delicious plate of omelette with rice that not only satisfies your hunger, but also nourishes your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1/2 cup cooked brown rice, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon chopped scallions, 1/4 cup diced bell pepper, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Number 6. Brown rice salad with chicken, 400 calories. This brown rice salad with chicken is a nutritious and flavorful option, providing a satisfying meal with 400 calories per serving. Packed with wholesome brown rice, lean chicken, and an array of fresh vegetables, this salad offers a balance of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Brown rice is a whole grain that provides complex carbohydrates and fiber. Whole chicken offers lean protein. Enjoy a delicious plate of brown rice salad with chicken that not only satisfies your hunger, but also nourishes your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 cup cooked brown rice, 4-ounce cooked chicken breast diced, 1/2 cup diced cucumber, 1/2 cup diced bell pepper, 1/4 cup sliced black olives, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a brown rice salad with chicken. Number 7. Chicken with rice, 380 calories. This chicken with rice recipe is a nutritious and satisfying option, providing a flavorful meal with 380 calories per serving. Packed with lean chicken and wholesome rice, this dish offers a balance of protein, complex carbohydrates, and essential nutrients. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, while rice serves as a source of energy and dietary fiber. Enjoy a delicious plate of chicken with rice that not only satisfies your hunger, but also nourishes your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 4-ounce boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1/2 cup cooked brown rice, 1/2 cup mixed vegetables, such as peas, carrots, and corn, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a chicken with rice. And that concludes our list of 7 healthy rice recipes for weight loss. Do you happen to know any rice recipes for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!